Are you tired of your makeup just sweating off the moment you step outside? Babes, it's summertime, it's hot, it's sticky, it's everything we would maybe not want, but that doesn't mean we can't look cute. I have spent years looking for the right makeup routine to wear during the summertime that won't make me look like sweaty, nasty, and gross, but will still make me look like dewy and youthful and plump. And I found it, I cracked the code, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step exactly how to do it. So I'm gonna take you guys through that routine today. We're gonna go through all the products I use, how I use them, and then I'm gonna do a little review of each product, what I think about it, yada yada. Okay, we're not wasting time here. We are gonna get right into it. Step 1 is always your skincare and your prep. That is a whole different video though. However, I personally really think that SPF is like top-notch importance, so I decided to include it in today's video. Please do not be silly. Put your sunscreen on. I don't know, I wanted that to rhyme. Today for my skin, I used this SPF. So you know what? I'm gonna talk about all the products that I'm using, but I'm also going to review them. Like I'm gonna show you how I'm putting them together and then yeah. So this is the tinted SPF from e.l.f. the Whoa Glow, if you will. 30 SPF, and it also has a primer in, like, built in. And this is it all blended out. We're all thinking the same thing. Where's the tint? I love this tint for everyday work because it's so light, but I wish the tint was a little bit more there. I feel like it would just knock it off the charts. It did cover up a bit of my redness, so I can't say like it doesn't have any tint. I just do wish that it was more. Then I take my glue. I take this Urban Decay Slick Brow Pomade and I just brush my eyebrows into the shape that I want for that day. I swear this is like the only thing that will hold my eyebrows in place. Review time. I don't know, I don't have anything bad to say about it, to be honest. It lasts forever. It just beautiful. Only thing is, if you put this over makeup, like if you do your eyebrows first, or if you do your like makeup first and then do your eyebrows, it will kind of flake a little bit. So just do it before your makeup. Now you're gonna take a concealer that is your shade. And we are using the lightest amount to just cover up under eyes, cover up any little blemish that we might have. And honestly, I like all my other blemishes, so we're gonna leave them there. I also like to carve my eyebrows out. I don't know what is in this, but when you carve out your eyebrows just look like. Review on this concealer. Nothing negative to say. It is so good. It's so creamy. It's so blendable. It takes a bit to like dry down, but I think that's a great thing because you can place it everywhere you need and then still have time to blend it out without worrying that it's gonna dry. So love her. See just how much better that brow looks, like for no reason. Oh, and if you see me using this thing, this is one of those like beauty blender things, but it's like literal beauty blender material. So I always go to the kitchen and I get this wet before I do my makeup, and then it's like a little beauty blender. It works really well, and then I have like this material for powder. Now it's time to contour nose. I use the NYX Wonder Stick, and I love this. It comes with like a contour side and then a highlighter side. I will say I think there might be a shade that is a little bit better for me, but I'm gonna wait until I finish it and then try a different shade. Now I'm gonna do this one size concealer that is clearly not the same race as me, but it's okay. I'm a big fan of the like bright under eye, so I just have to have it. I also take my NYX Jumbo Stick right on the center of my nose. Concealer is super good, super pigmented, super blendable. Don't really have any complaints about it. This one took me a little bit to figure it out because I've seen this all over TikTok for years now where girls were using it to like highlight and stuff like that. Just started really getting into it, and so far I really like it. Time to whip out the powders because powder is what is gonna save you in the summertime. I was in Vegas about 2 weeks ago and my face, girl, matte. And I had my friend asking me like, girl, what the fuck is on your face? Like, how are you not sweaty? She was on my face. So I'm gonna take one of my little, excuse her, but take my little puff. And I work in 3 sections. So I do under my eyes, around like my nose, upper lip, and chin. And as you guys can see, I don't really put makeup like over here or on my forehead or anything like that. Like during the summertime, it's literally just where it needs to be. Go in again on the other side, do the same thing, and then once more for my forehead. So add a little bit of contour back into my face. I'm also gonna take my one size powder. And now this one, it really depends. If you're gonna be outside and like sweaty and whatever, use this one again. But if you're kind of just like me and you don't sweat too bad, you don't really need it, it's just kind of for the extra coverage, I like to use a brush and just kind of put this over the important areas just to have a little bit extra powder. I don't know what it is about that combo, but this works. Base is matte and it is going to stay matte all day. We're almost to the sauce. Blush. You guys, I forgot to review all of the powder products that I've been using. Whoops. Anyways, this is the Essence blush. I think it's really good. Packaging could be stronger because I brought this blush like 3 times and every single time the top part comes off and then it makes a mess. But the color is gorgeous. I also really like to dabble with this Estate blush. Look at how pretty. That is a gorgeous color. And I like that this one kind of serves as like a highlighter too. It's super cute. Now time for eyes. Finally. This is like the sauce. You're gonna curl your lashes. Y'all, it is like, how hot is it right now? Quite literally 83 degrees outside. And I have not turned the air conditioner on since yesterday. It's probably 83 degrees in here. So I think that's just a testament to how good this makeup is because I am burning up in here. You're gonna take a brown liner. You can do black if you want to, but I like to do brown. You can see a little stretch at the end and then just connect that little stretch. That's it. You can barely see it, but it does a lot. And that's why I like to do brown because it's like barely there, but it is. Eyeliner review. I love it. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. Waterproof mascara. This one's my favorite. I like to apply mascara vertically like this and then go in. I might have went a little overboard today. Oops. If you have anything to clean up, just use a Q-tip. Okay, and then we're just gonna kind of like let that set. You could totally leave it just like this, but I like the pizzazz. So if you guys haven't been to like CVS or whatever in a bit, they make lashes that require no glue. They're from Kiss. These are the spiky ones. I'm gonna go with the voluminous ones today. So I like to take 2 clusters and just add them on the ends. Once they're on, you just take fingers and just clasp them together. The glue is a lot stronger than I initially thought. However, if you're going to like a water park or something like that, I would recommend adding your own extra glue on top. Or like a roller coaster, like something like that. Yeah, I would take additional precautions if I were you. I feel like my eyebrows are looking a little bald, so I'm gonna fill them in. I guess review on this eyebrow pencil, one of the best I've ever had. Time to highlight. I use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. It comes with 2 of them. If I'm feeling a little frisky, like it's like a special occasion, this girl. If it's just every day, this girl. My highlighting routine is a little bit serious. There are 3 different brushes that I use. First, with this fluffy brush, add it to the bottom of our brows. And I'm also gonna go in, take it from my inner corner to like the middle of my crease. I don't know what it is about this, but it just makes your eyes look so open and so pretty. With this little brush, I'm just gonna take it and put it right in my inner corner and kind of drag it down on my waterline a little bit. And then for the flat little brush, put it right down the bridge of my nose and just a little bit right on the tip. Lastly, for lips, during the summertime, I try my best to just have a simple lip combo. Like it's hot, everything's sweating off. So this has been one of my favorite lip combos for the summer. It is the NYX liner in the shade Soft Spoken. Something I definitely am not. Review on this, I like it. I wish it was retractable. Not much to say about it. I really like the color. I really like how it is. Now we're gonna take a plumping gloss. This one is by Fenty Beauty. Review on the lip gloss. It is literally probably the best lip gloss, or one of the best that I've ever had. It plumps your lips up really good. It doesn't hurt too bad. It hurts like just good. Setting spray. We're gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, but not the regular. This one has hyaluronic acid and watermelon fruit extract. It smells so good. Review on the setting spray. I love it. It's so good. Yeah, there we go. Thank you so much if you made it to this part of the video. And if you did, then I just know you're gonna be one of those baddies, like walking down the street with your makeup all good. I just know it. I can feel it. I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like, maybe a comment, maybe shared it, maybe subscribed. Maybe. Yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me in my little makeup routine today. If you want to see more get ready with me, more makeup videos, more of that, there's like daily content posted on my TikTok. And yeah, I will see you guys next week.